If you want to find and access hidden apps on Samsung Galaxy A57, then here's what you need to do. So, of course, if you have hidden apps, you can decide if you want to hide more apps by going to settings. Over here, if you open home screen settings and proceed to hide apps on home and app screens, and of course here we have the list of all apps that are hidden. Now, unfortunately, there is no like a special menu or dedicated menu where we can simply open these apps, but there are a couple of ways to actually open those apps. So let's say I'm going to focus on this Perplexity app. If I want to open it, I can, for example, in settings, go to apps over here. Now on this list, I should be able to find the app. There we go. And if I go here, I can tap on open at the bottom of the screen in order to start using it. Simple as that. I can also go to the Play Store, and if I try to find the app, so I'm gonna type the name of the app again, there we go, I should be able to find it. In my case, I have an update, so let me quickly update, but of course we can open it without any issues whatsoever, just like any other app. Also, another way to access the app is by using background apps or recents. So if the app was running before and it was not closed, then you might be able to still find it here in the background app. So I can still open it without any issues whatsoever, even though the app is hidden. And these are all major ways that allow you to find hidden apps. There is actually one more way. So if I use the search button, the search field at the bottom of the screen, if I type the name of the app, then of course I will not be able to display it. But if I type the name of the app fully, especially, then I should be able to find the suggestion of settings in the app info. So I can just quickly jump into the settings of that hidden app and I can open it from here just like before. So that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.